today you're doing a hop on, hop off, and my seatmate is crying because her earphones won't fit. So we're doing the red line right now. We rode near the La Grasa Sagrada Familia because that's where our hotel is near. So dun yung unang stop namin. Ayan. Hello! We need to use the earphone because they will talk about the things that we see. Ayan o. We will listen and then you will look around what they're talking. We're doing green line or red? Green line. Tomorrow, hop on, hop off again. And yun, paikot lang. So we're starting at 9 o'clock. We're walking now at Las Ramblas. Las Ramblas. So we're gonna look around. Gonna check out if we can eat here. And yan. Ano?
Yeah, we're just walking.
Sabi mo about Las Ramblas?
No.
So we are now here walking Islas Ramblas. It's still very early, so you don't see a lot of people, and that is good because many people means more pickpockets. There are a lot of tourist traps. You can identify these tourist traps by looking at the facade. Their menus are involves lot of pictures.
So far, may na-meet kaming Filipinos from Australia. They live in Australia. And then galing silang Cebu. Ay, Davao, sorry. They're from Davao, so Bisaya din sila.
So they were born in the Philippines
Yeah.
and they moved to Australia.
Oo, nakabase sila sa Australia. Yun. Malapit na rin daw silang umuwi. Sabi, ingat daw sa pickpockets. Wala naman yata silang experience about pickpockets. But before when we were in Paris, kamuntik nang makuha ang aking wallet. Ang aking wallet. Buti na lang nakita ko siya. Nag-eye to eye kami ng pickpocket. And then hawak niya na yung wallet ko. Yun, buti na lang nakuha ko. Lahat ng pera namin nandun pa naman. When we were in Paris, in the metro. So nagtataka ako kasi pinapalibutan ako ng maraming tao. And then, although crowded sa metro noon, pero ayun, nagtataka lang ako. And then I felt something moving sa bag ko. Ayun, tapos nakuha niya na yung wallet ko. Buti na lang, naagaw ko sa kanya. So that was our first experience with the pickpocket. At first, hindi kami masyadong naniniwala kasi parang okay naman yung mga tao. Mukha silang mayaman, may kaya. Yun pala, yung nag-pickpocket sa akin before was bata pa nga yun, parang 9 years old or 12. Kaedad ni Rizzo.
So we're headed to La Boqueria, which is one of the oldest markets here in Barcelona.
So, yun.
Daddy will be the guide.
Pupunta kami sa La Boqueria. It's a market where you can buy food. May cooked food, may market. You can buy meat. So we'll see if we can eat there. It's already... Ay, wala. Maaga pa. 10 o'clock lang. So, yun.
Daddy will be the guide.
Pupunta kami sa La Boqueria. It's a market where you can buy food. May cooked food, may market. You can buy meat. So we'll see if we can eat there. It's already... Ay, wala. Maaga pa. 10 o'clock lang.
You don't expect to eat there.
Tingnan. Ay, ang ganda nung mga painting. Ay, hindi masyado. Hindi ko masyado type. Sorry. Ito, medyo... hindi ko rin type. Mga babaeng naka-flamenco. Flamenco. Ang ganda dito, malinis, daming puno. And then, when you look up, yung mga wiring, hindi katulad sa atin, buhol-bahol lang spaghetti wires. Dito nakatago na yung mga electric wires nila. So, kaya malinis tingnan. Medyo maraming tourists din dito and families. Yun, another complaint is marami pa rin nagsisigarilyo. Yan. So we're going to the fountain. Ano nga fountain to? Ano sabi ni Daddy?
Fountain.
Ayan. Ay, ano yan? Look, oh. Ito, i-ganyan mo. Mga spices. Cute. How much is it? Sugar free. 13.50. €4. Maganda siguro magbili ng pampasalubong na din dito.
Tourist place.
Is it? Ayun o, may
Bibili
mga...
ka dapat sa last part
meat.
kasi meat ito. Nadaan to ng customs.
No, I'm not gonna buy meat. Ayun na yung mga spices. Ito Ria, tingnan natin itong mga spices. Ito, truffle oil. Truffle oil. 7.50. 7. Mga oils, no? Ito. Salt. Pink salt. Kakakanta. Ito, what's that? Ah, anchovies. Wow, tingnan mo to, seafood. Wow, seafood. Look, it's so big. Popo octopus.
Popo.
Popo octopus. Ito naman, wet market. Mga fresh fish. Which we cannot buy kasi hindi tayo makakaluto. Alam, may oysters pa. Scallops. Scallops pala, hindi pala oysters. You wanna try ba? No? Fresh fish market. Okay. Dito na lang tayo sa dry market. Mahirap na sa fish market kasi baka madulas tayo eh.
Yan yung mga juice nila, oh.
Gusto niyo mag-try?
Totoo, di ba?
May mga fruits, croissant. Yan, pakita natin yung croissant. Pastries. Oh, chocolate croissant. Pistachio. Akala ko matcha. Ang dami. Oh, may fruits pa. Fruits ba yan? Ah, same price. Yung mga salt. 13. Gusto niyo bang mag-try ng ano? Maano? Sa main? This way?
Tama yung sinabi nila sa vlog.
Okay, hi guys. So we're in Park Güell. Oh my. So, going up here is a very long way,
And then
and you need to bring a lot of water.
need to buy tickets in advance.
Yeah,
You cannot buy tickets here. You cannot just...
yeah.
Maraming nga kaming nakita na they wanted to come here.
But
and
then it was sold
wala
out.
ng ticket. They're not selling tickets on the spot. So you need to book it in advance. We bought our tickets 30 days prior to this trip
Yes.
online. 1 month, yeah. How much is it per person?
It's
Expensive.
expensive.
Hindi,
Yes.
need to be informative.
Yes.
Yes.
For-
Ba't parang maalikabok?
No, oy.
Kita mo yun.
See the view of Barcelona. Ginento mo ng story?
Hindi pa. Give mo kay daddy yung mic.
Dude, just talk.
So Park Güell is named after its owner, Mr. Güell. He hired Antoni Gaudi as its architect. So his vision was to create like a mini village of townhouses. And these houses were meant to be sold to the who's who of Barcelona. Unfortunately, it did not click as he wanted it to be. Even when Gaudi himself bought a lot here and built a house to boost confidence, but it did not work. Currently, that house is now a museum inside Gaudi, inside Park Güell. But here again, you can see the inspiration from nature of Gaudi.
So, saan ba yung mga building? So, it's a park and a residential area. Currently, may mga nakatira ba dito?
Wala.
Walang nakatira. It's now a park.
It's now a park that was turned over now to the city. So it's the city who owns it. No longer any private individuals.
Ah, okay. Thank you for that. Hindi nag-research. Ayan. So, we're just taking our pictures. We asked someone to take our picture. A Japanese couple. You know naman, Japanese are so nice. Park Güell. I think sa taas. Or
Gardens na lang yan.
Gardens na lang. Asan yung mga bahay?
Kaya nga, try kasi walang nagpagawa ng bahay.
Ah, okay.
Oo.
They built the house
Only a
hoping
few, like I think
that people will buy
This one,
lots.
This is one house.
So it's like a subdivision or
And then
village
one house is there yung cave.
for sale. And then hoping na may mga bibili, made-develop siya into a village or a subdivision. At walang bumili. Si Gaudi lang. Ayun ang house niya. Ang kulay pink house. Yan. Hi guys. So, I just came back from Park Güell. We're just gonna have lunch now. Dinner. Here, we found a ramen place, Chinese ramen place. Chinese noodle place near our hotel. Yan. It's a beef noodle.
Yeah,
Sobrang pagod.
So Park Güell,
yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
it's kind of out of the main road. So if you are taking the hop-on, hop-off bus, there is a 15-minute walk uphill. So just a heads up.
I like Park Güell, but I'm very tired when I get up there.
Uphill, no?
Yeah. So, yeah. But it's nice and it's airy.
Airy. Sobrang nakakapagod lang. Si Raiso, inasma na. Kasi medyo maalikabok eh. No? Parang maalikabok sa taas. Yun. Parang, ngayon, we're just eating a nice meal. Kasi kanina nagmamadali kami. Kasi we had an appointment ng 3 o'clock sa Park Royal. Actually, ang dami ang gustong pumasok eh. Hindi na sila makapasok.
And we arrived 2:55.
O just in time. So talagang sobrang traffic din dito, parang Pilipinas. So akala namin parang easy lang. Pagsakay mo ng hop on hop off, mabilis lang, baba ka ulit. Yung pala sobrang traffic from one stop to another. Parang it took us
More than 2 hours.
more than 2 hours. Sobrang traffic. Tapos ang daming tao, ang daming tourists. Ito, ang hirap sumakay. Minsan, nag-aantay ka ng bus, hindi ka makakasakay ka agad. So, kain lang muna kami. And then we'll get back to you. Sobrang gutom na. How about si Aya? Anong masasabi mo sa Heartland?
No, Dad.
Yan na, may asma na, hindi makasalita.
Wala.
Tiring to go up.
Kailangan super fit.
Tiring. A lot of stairs. But view is nice.